In this clip, I will explain forms. We all are familiar with this term, that is form. You all would have filled your admission form, examination form or etc. so far, or have you filled any type of form so far? A form in MS Access is similar to it. It is a piece of paper on which we fill the required information in the given fields. A form is a database object that allows us to add and update data in one record at a time. Remember one thing, a form add or update one record at a time. However, in datasheet view you can add and update data in any number of records, but we use form to add data in one record at a time if we don't want to expose our data in front of others, because our data may have confidential. If we add data in the form, it is also added in the table. We can also insert, update and delete data from the table using form. Access provides three main views to display a form. These are form view, design view and layout view. Form view is used to enter, edit and view data. Design view is used to adjust the design of form and gives a more detailed view of the structure of a form. Layout view is used to change the appearance and size of the various controls of a form. We will create and format a form during the lab period. And the next and last topic of this chapter is reports. A report, as literally it means, is a database object that is used to organize and summarize data for viewing or printing purposes. We will also create, format and print a report during the lab period. So far you all are requested to read the chapter throughout.